Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm doing something that I've never done before on this channel. I am going to be unboxing and testing out a brand new microphone. I've had this microphone for about 5 years now. It is a GXT232 microphone. It's pretty good. I use it in all of my live streams over on Twitch, and I've been using it for the majority of the audio recordings that you hear in my YouTube videos. But after about 5 years of using it, I finally decided, you know what? I've got a bit of money. Let me upgrade my audio quality, and that's exactly what I did. But before we get into the video, I have a little announcement to make. Ladies and gentlemen, I have started my very own podcast. It's called Varied Views, and you can find it on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts. I'll leave a link to it all in the description. The first episode is already out, the first episode with my dad. I'll run a clip of it right now. What is some advice you could give to young people who maybe wanted to do the same sort of thing that you do?
I don't know. I mean, advice is just, businesses are not something you do by yourself. You do usually with a team. Look after your team, look after the people that work with you, because you need them. You can't do everything by yourself. And basically it says if you want to go fast, you can go alone. If you want to go far, you go together.
If you guys want to see more of it, make sure you go to the links below, follow, subscribe. I'm not exactly sure how it works on a Spotify or iTunes, but go show some support. Remember, I'm releasing episodes at least every other Wednesday, so if I have time, I'll release an episode every week. And yeah, that's about it. Let's get back to the video. If you enjoy, remember to leave a like and subscribe down below. We're on our way to 300 subscribers, and I cannot wait. And if you guys have actually noticed, it's sitting right there in the background. Look at it, sitting there quietly. If you had a keen eye, you would have noticed that straight away. Well, let's get right to the unboxing. Well guys, hopefully I was able to get some lovely ASMR sounds for you. I'm still using the other microphone, but now let's actually take a closer look at what we actually got. So first things first, we have this big arm here, which is probably the same as this arm. It just allows you to connect, just basically as a support for your microphone. And as I'm looking at it, it's literally quite the same. I think it's the exact same model and everything. This, and then we come over here. This, I think, is what we have to screw actually screw onto the arm to allow it to hold on to certain surfaces like tables. Next up we have this, which by looking at the image on the box here, you can actually see. Can you see it goes around the top of the microphone? So that's what this is. I never quite understood what these actually are. Right, yeah, I'm not entirely sure, to be honest with you. We have, your standard USB cable to be able to plug it into your computer. Next up, we have this huge filter. This is like twice the size of mine.
That's what she said.
to the main piece. Here you can see up close. This is a KROM microphone, really good quality. You got your entrances over there. Basically, this little dial here, when turned on, if you turn it one way, it supposedly only records in a certain manner. If you turn it the other way, it records in another way, and if you turn it to the middle, it'll turn red, which means it's off. And this is definitely a very smart microphone, and I'm really excited to use it. Well guys, now that we've unboxed everything and I've shown you it, well, let's get to putting it all together and testing it out, huh? was actually gonna do a full like time lapse everything. You probably saw a little bit before, but this was so complicated to set up, guys. I hope this is a lesson. Okay, this took me much longer than I expected. Read the instruction manual. Trust me, it'll save you a shit ton of time, and you won't have to do, you know, the step-by-step process. So, but we made it. We made it in the end, and I finally got the microphone set up. Check it out. This is looking good. Now, I actually want to tell you a bit more about why I got this microphone, besides being an upgrade from my previous one, which is lying on my bed. So another reason why I wanted to get this microphone is because now that I've launched my own podcast, and I'm going to try and get, you know, 2 guests on. This microphone is going to be for myself, and that microphone behind me is going to be for the guests. But let me actually show you one of the, you know, few things that made me really want to buy this microphone. Here on the side here, you can see that there is a little light, right here. If the light is blue, it means that the microphone is capturing audio from all angles. If the light is it starts capturing audio, but mainly only from up here, on the top here. And let's actually have a listen to what it sounded like at the beginning of the video compared to what it sounds like now, and hopefully the microphone quality is definitely better. If not, it's okay, because, well, you know, I'll be a bit disappointed, but if not, it means at least I got another microphone to have with a second guest. Ladies and gentlemen, I have started my very own podcast. It's called Varied Views, and you can find it on... The microphone quality is definitely better. If not, it's okay, because, well, you know, I'll be a bit... And that about wraps it up for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed. If you did, remember to leave a like and subscribe down below. We are on our way to 300 subscribers, and there I'm going to leave a link to Linktree in the description, which will have links to my Instagram, YouTube, second channel, third channel, Spotify, Apple Podcasts. Everything will be found in the link in the description. TikTok as well. Your boy's on TikTok making anime. Jeez, man. Jeez. But yeah, anyway, guys, hope you have enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace. Yo, I'm gonna start making music with this microphone. Hey. Hey, Jesus, that was a big spike in my recording.